Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Discord to your PlayStation 5 for an enhanced gaming experience. We will walk through the simple steps to link your accounts and enable seamless voice communication. This guide will help you set up everything you need, ensuring you can chat with your teammates directly through your console. Get ready to elevate your team coordination and social interactions during gameplay. First, open Discord on your computer or mobile device and navigate to your user settings. Look for the Connections tab and click on it. Here, you will see various platforms. Select the PlayStation Network icon. You will then be redirected to the PlayStation website to authorize the connection. Simply log in with your PlayStation Network credentials to complete this crucial linking step. Once your accounts are linked, join a Discord voice channel on your mobile device. Open the PlayStation app and you will see an option to transfer the voice chat to your PlayStation 5. Simply tap Join on PlayStation to initiate the transfer. Your Discord voice chat will then seamlessly switch to your console, allowing you to communicate directly through your headset connected to the PlayStation 5. For troubleshooting, always ensure both your Discord and PlayStation Network accounts are correctly linked. A stable internet connection is vital for clear voice chat, so check your network if you experience issues. Keep both the PlayStation app and Discord updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. Finally, using a good quality headset will significantly improve your audio experience and team communication.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.